Hello students and very good morning to all students. Welcome back to our online session. Today we are going to discuss the output devices. Before that, just recall what we have learned in previous session. In previous session, we started the external devices. So what is external device? External device, it is a hardware device that's installed outside of the computer. Any peripheral device that is not housed inside the computer cabinet. In short, computer हा एक ह्युमन बीइंग सारखा आहे. जसं वी ह्युमन बीइंग हॅव अ ब्रेन टू थिंक अँड मेमोराइज. आपल्याला जसं ब्रेन आहे, आपण काय करू शकतो, त्याच्यामध्ये मेमोरीज स्टोअर करू शकतो आणि आपण विचार करू शकतो. तसं कम्प्युटर एक ब्रेन आहे. लाईकवाईज वी हॅव other organs like our hand, our eyes, our ears, our mouth. Like this, the computer has the other parts to surrounding the operations. Like that, likewise, they have additional external devices. Those are hardware device, hard drives, headphones, keyboards, mouse, printer, projector, scanners, and speakers. In previous session, we learned the input devices. The input devices are the user to send data or information to the computer, that is called as the input device. The example of input devices are keyboard, mouse, joystick, light pen, trackball, and scanners. In previous session, we learned the types of keyboards, types of mouse, and scanners. These are the basic input devices. Today we are going to discuss the output devices. Output device display the result of a processing of raw data that is entered in the computer through an input device. Output device म्हणजे काय? तो काय करतो? रिझल्ट डिस्प्ले करतो. कुठला रिझल्ट डिस्प्ले करणार आहे? जो डेटा आपण इनपुट डिव्हाइस थ्रू कम्प्युटरला काय केलं असतो, सेंड केलेलं असतो, त्याच्यावर तो काय करतो, प्रोसेसिंग करतो, म्हणजे डिफरंट ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करून एक मिनिंगफुल रिझल्ट डिस्प्ले करतो. दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज अ आउटपुट डिव्हाइस. आपल्या ह्युमन बीइंगवरनं सांगायचं म्हटलं तर कम्प्युटर हॅज अ आउटपुट डिव्हाइसेस टू डिस्प्ले द रिझल्ट ॲज अवर माउथ अँड ॲज अवर हँड्स टू राईट द डेटा. जसं आपला हात आपण किती डेटा राईट करण्यासाठी यूज करतो, तसंच आउटपुट डिव्हाइस हे काय करणार आहे, रिझल्ट डिस्प्ले करण्यासाठी यूज करायचं आहे. सो इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ आउटपुट डिव्हाइसेस. सम ऑफ द पॉप्युलर आउटपुट डिव्हाइसेस आर मॉनिटर, प्रिंटर, अँड प्रोजेक्टर. Then what is monitor? The monitor is the display unit or screen of the computer. It is the main output device that display the processed data or information as text, image, audio, and video. There are also different types of monitor. Like CRT monitor. CRT monitors are based on the cathode ray tube. They are like vacuum tubes which produce image in the form of video signal. This is the image of CRT monitor. Again, cathode ray tube produce a beam of electronics through electron guns that strike on the inner phosphorant surface of the screen to produce image on the screen. The monitor contains millions of phosphorus dots of red, green and blue color. These dots start to glow when struck by electronic beams, and this phenomena is called cathodoilluminance. The main component of CRT monitor include the electron gun assembly, deflection plate assembly, fluorescent screen, glass envelope and base. In short, CRT monitor हा आपण डिजिटल क्लॉक मध्ये पण पाहिलेला आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये काय असतात, बेसिक 3 कलर्स यूज केले असतात, दॅट इज द रेड, ग्रीन अँड ब्ल्यू. नेक्स्ट आहे एलईडी मॉनिटर. आता एलईडी आणि एलईडी मॉनिटर, एलसीडी अँड एलईडी मॉनिटर हा डिफरन्स आपल्याला माहितीच आहे. हां, कारण आपण आजकालचे जे टीव्ही आहेत त्याचे मॉनिटर एकतर एलसीडी असतात किंवा एलईडी असतात. सो फर्स्ट दॅट इज द एलसीडी मॉनिटर. द एलसीडी मॉनिटर इज फ्लॅट पॅनल स्क्रीन that is compact and lightweight as compared to CRT monitors. It is based on liquid crystal display technology, which is used in the screens of laptops, tablets, smartphones, etc. An LCD screen comprises 2 layers of polarized glass with a liquid crystal solution between them. Then the light passes through the first layer and electronic current aligns the liquid crystal. The aligned liquid crystal allows a varying level of light to pass through the second layer to create image on the screen. In short, the LCD screen has a matrix of pixels that display the image on the screen. Second, that is the LED monitor. The LED monitor is an improved version of an LCD monitor. It is also has a flat panel display and uses liquid crystal display technology like the LCD monitors. The difference between them lies in the source of light to backlight the display. The LED monitor has many LED panels and each panel has several LEDs to backlight the display, whereas the LCD monitors use cold cathode fluorescent light to backlight the display. The LED TVs, the modern electronic devices such as mobile phones, laptops and computer screens are the example of LED. They uses LED display as it not only produce more brilliance and greater light intensity but also consume the less power as compared to LCD monitor. Next, that is the plasma monitor. The plasma monitor is also a flat panel display that is based on plasma display technology. It has small tiny cells between 2 glass panels. These cells contains mixture of noble gases and a small amount of mercury. When voltage is applied, the gas in the cells turns into a plasma and emit ultraviolet lights that creates image on the screen. That means the screen is illuminated by a tiny bit of plasma, a charged gas. Plasma display are brighter than liquid crystal display, that is the LCD, and also offer a wide viewing angle than LCD. These are the some common types of monitors, that are CRT monitors, LCD monitors, LED monitors and plasma monitors. Thank you.